Hi everyone, Sneha here from apnamb.com. As you know, we are guiding students to select the right MBA colleges in India under MAT. If you are looking to join top MBA colleges in Bangalore, then this video is for you. Today I am going to cover all the top MBA colleges in Bangalore with the admission process. So bear with me till end, and before that subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get all the MBA admission related notifications. To start with, XIME Bangalore. It has 3 campuses in India. One is in Bangalore, Chennai and Kochi. The main campus is Bangalore with a course fees of 14 lakh rupees and the admissions are already closed. If you want to process for rest 2 campuses, the admissions are open and link is in the description box. Click on the link and fill the application form. If you think of the average package, it goes around 6.2 lakh rupees. Next comes to Christ University. It has again 3 campuses in India. One is in Bangalore, second was in Lavasa, Pune and third was in Delhi NCR in Ghaziabad. Main campus admissions are already closed. You can process for the rest 2 campuses. Approximately 6.5 lakh rupees to 7 lakh rupees is the average package. Next comes to IFM Business School. The major USP is the location. It's located in Electronic City, Bangalore. If you talk about the next USP, the program. It's providing PGDM and MBA program both. PGDM is having AICTE approval and MBA is from Bangalore University. PGDM course fees is 17 lakh rupees and MBA program is 9 lakh rupees. So if you talk about the specializations, it's providing 8 different specializations along with the degree. It's marketing, digital business, finance, HR, international business, entrepreneurship and analytics, banking and corporate finance. If we talk about the next USP, it's faculty. It's having 14 experienced faculty at CXO level. Faculties mostly are from IITs, BITs, IIMs and having foreign exposures. The only concern is the course fees. If you're having a really high budget, you can definitely give it a try. The online application form is already closed. So if you want to process for IFM PGDM program and MBA program, we have a few application forms with us with coupon code. You can easily move ahead. Click on the description, fill the application form, talk to our team and process your interview at IFM Business School. If you really want to get international experience, then the next college is for you, which is ISME Bangalore. Located at Sarjapur Road, it's providing PGDM program having AICTE and AIO approval both. So this degree is equivalent to MBA. Course fees is 7.9 lakh rupees for 2 years. If you talk about the average package, approximately 6 lakh rupees and highest package is 12 lakh rupees. USP, it's faculty, no doubt about it. Faculties are from IITs, AIMS, ISB, Wharton Business School, London School of Economics, Texas University, Carnegie Mellon University and mostly from corporate. The college have already declared the deadline of admissions and about to start the classes. So if you are really interested to join ISME Bangalore, click on the description, apply now and process your Skype interview. The next college with us is Presidency University. It's providing 2 years full-time MBA degree and having 240 intakes. Location is in Yelahanka near airport. The course fees is 6.5 lakh rupees, but currently with the situations, if you apply to Presidency University, you can avail 50,000 rupees of scholarships on first come first services admission. If you talk about the USP, 67 acres of world-class infrastructure awarded by the most progressive university as per ASSOCHAM 2020. Top-notch faculties with corporate trainers and yes, average package is 5 to 6 lakh rupees. If you want to process with apnamb.com, you can get 50% off in the application cost. Click on the link and fill the application form and process your interview. Next B school is with us is MS Ramaiah. It has 2 different campuses in Bangalore for management studies. One is Ramaiah Institute of Management. Second one is Ramaiah Institute of Management and Studies. Ramaiah Institute is providing 2 years full-time PGDM program and the eligibility is 600 and above in MAT. And if you're having CAT and SAT examinations, then you have to score 80 percentile plus. Fees is approximately 7.2 lakh rupees and average package is 5 to 6 lakh rupees. If we talk about Ramaiah Institute, it's providing MBA and PGDM both. MBA is from Annamalai University and PGDM is IMA approved and overall the program is AICTE approved. Course fees is approximately 7 to 8 lakh rupees and average package is 6 lakh rupees. If we talk about the USP of Ramaiah, it's industry synced academic studies, MS Ramaiah brand of excellence, top-notch faculties and most importantly RIFS certifications, Ramaiah International Finishing School certifications. The certifications will definitely add value to your CV, so you should think of. And you can apply at completely free of cost through apnambi.com and process your Skype and telephonic interviews. If you want to get a detailed video about Ramaiah, I'm adding the video link in the description box. Please watch it. The next B-School is with me is RCM Bangalore, Regional College of Management, Bangalore. It offers MBA and PGDM program both. MBA is from Bangalore University, course fees is 6.45 lakh rupees and having the intake of 120. PGDM is AICTE approved and with the same course fees and same intake. Location is near airport and infrastructure is, I must say, it's one of its kind. The major USPs of RCM Bangalore is the faculty, mostly are from IITs, IIMs, NTU Singapore, Sweden, France, Germany, and mostly are from corporate. So you will be getting a high-end academic delivery with RCM Bangalore. If you talk about the next USP, the major USPs is the value-added certification programs. It's providing French boot camp, Swiss boot camp, international business, business analytics, and digital marketing. Average package is 7.2 lakh rupees and highest package is 27 lakh rupees. The major USP of RCM Bangalore is the collateral free educational loan. Yes, it's absolutely correct. If you're having just the offer letter of RCM Bangalore, you can easily access the educational loan up to 7.5 lakh rupees from State Bank of India. You have to process your application form, you have to qualify 2 rounds of interview and you have to absolutely nice in your English communication. Then you can directly approach with the offer letter to State Bank of India for the educational loan, and with the collaborations with the college, you can access 7.5 lakh rupees of educational loan with absolutely zero collaterals and mortgage. This is the major USP. We have the application form with us. You can definitely process your application form for Skype and telephonic interview. Few seats are remaining. You should definitely give it a try. If you are having low budget and no budget, this college is absolutely fantastic for you. If you say there are 100 plus MBA colleges available in Bangalore, if you want to join any specific colleges in Bangalore, then please contact us for a seamless interviews and admission process. If you are having below 15 graduations or if you are having low score in your entrance examination, you still have a chance to crack a good college, join a good college and continue your MBA education. Connect with us, fill the application form, contact us. Our admission helpline number is already in the description box. We'll help you out definitely to get the best possible options available for you. If you want to join any top brand college in India, in Bangalore, we are ready to help you out with the students' help, because we are here, we are connected with so many students who are currently studying in those colleges. We can help you out to get the real-time students' feedback. We can help you out to access the students' feedback from the college you want to join. Stay connected, fill the application form, looking to help you out in your admissions journey, and stay in touch and process your interview. Thank you so much.